Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to use live practice mode on your TikTok app. So if you want to just practice on TikTok using the live mode, then let me show you how to do this. So with the practice mode, you do not go live actually. It's just a 30 seconds practice where you can basically have a feel of how TikTok live is. So to do this, first you want to go to your app store, search for TikTok and make sure that's been updated to the latest version. Now, once that's updated, go ahead and open the app. Now in the app, you're going to go ahead and tap on the plus sign, then tap on live. Now here at the top here, you'll see practice mode is available. So this mode is only visible to you and you have at least 30 seconds to explore the live features. So when you see a countdown pop up, please decide what's next. If no action is taken, you'll go live right away after the countdown ends. So go ahead and tap on practice now. And now here you can go ahead and practice your TikTok live. So at the bottom here, you can get all these tools. So you can see the host. So you can choose what is co-host. You can choose the guest. You can interact with users. You can share items with users. You can enhance yourself. If you tap more, you have all of these options. So go ahead and play around with this TikTok practice mode on your TikTok app. And as it reads, 30 seconds is up. So it's asking you if you want to go live with TikTok. So you can go ahead and press go live. This will take you into TikTok live. If not now, go ahead and tap not now. And then you can go ahead and practice more. So to turn off practice mode on TikTok, go ahead and press this power button and then go ahead and tap on leave. So there you go, guys. That is how to go into practice mode live on TikTok. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.